Okay, we got this Nissan cargo van. It's an NV 2500. We are doing the front brakes now. Gave y'all the rear brake video, gave y'all the front brake video. Okay. Okay. The front caliber bolts are a 10 millimeter. You know the front's gonna always be bigger than the backs, because the front do the stopping. Okay. You got it? Yeah. All right. Get the date. Woo! I don't want to break it. Some torque on that. Right, let's get these out. The top I broke loose. 10 millimeter Allen. Yeah, the Cosmoline on there. Okay, we got a strip bolt. So we're gonna take the whole caliber off so I can put some heat on it. Extract it.
I see that big old C clamp over there. What do I use that for? I see that big old massive.
These brakes gone. They should be over there somewhere. These brakes are beyond worn out. Them the motherfuckers get the bugs out your house. Okay. We gotta try to extract the bolt. It's stripped. We're gonna apply heat straight to the bolt area. See what I'm saying? Okay, so with the heat, that's what you gotta do when they get stuck. Just crack him with the heat.
You already got the rears done, both sides?
Both rears is done. We finishing up the fronts.
You said they didn't done that shit on every fucking side.
Yep, stripped them.
That's annoying.
Beyond annoying. Okay.
You got new slide chains? They using the same slide chains.
Shit, we ain't got no new ones. We're gonna rock them. Rocking what we got. All right, with that C-clamp right here.
You need to watch that master cylinder.
Yeah, check it out for me. Okay.
Look for dot 3.
All right, I'm twisting slow. Go to the next one. They had these out to the max.
Yeah.
You ain't supposed to do that though. You ain't supposed to wear your brakes out to the max because you start, that caliber come out too far. Yep, you beat up that piston.
Oh, y'all speak with Sean's cousin?
Huh?
Y'all speak with Sean's cousin today?
Who?
I guess he was dropping this off. Well, I mean, he was supposed to be dropping off the truck and taking one back.
Okay, so. I think that was him. Somebody was here when I got here.
That's his cousin. You got him pushed all the way back?
Huh?
You got him pushed all the way back?
Almost. Yep, they pushed back.
Put some damn cocoa butter on your pan or something, huh?
Okay. Slide that back up there. Now we gotta take the rotor off.
You got another seat over there?
Well, hand me that hammer.
These have a screw, you know that. Some people come back with the screw on it.
The set screw.
Yeah, that set screw.
I hate that screw. I don't never put it back on. That little screw ain't stopping nothing. Bitch. Get this guy back on.
still hot?
Nope, I just had to put my mittens on. I had to put my mitts on. Okay. Okay.
Oh, did y'all check the fight? Y'all see the fight? What's
There we go.
name? Crawford. Crawford. They ain't really seem like a fight. Down like 3-4 times and stuff.
Okay. With that grease. Thank you.
So it won't squeak.
Shouldn't squeak.
Or you just put it so you put the pads on for ease.
You use powder grease, that's so you ain't got metal to metal. It's called contact points. You follow me?
Yeah.
Powder grease, the contact points. Where the pad touch metal to metal. Cause that's how you get your squeak. When it's metal to metal, that's ship. Follow me?
I know that the pads come with anti-squishing. They don't really do too much.
That anti-squeal, that shit for new cars.
I ain't never greased off contact points. I just grease the grease pins and slap the hardwood on.
So if you ain't greasing the contact point, what type of training they done gave you?
Shit, they ain't never taught me. Still learning. You know what I'm saying? Learn something new.
How long that class last?
Huh?
How long that class last?
I was back in high school.
Oh, what y'all?
Gave you the YouTube version of it. Then.
Yep.
Made it sound easy.
Yep. Cause this right here, dog, this real world. And ain't nothing nice about it. Alright, we back in it. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Slide on with ease instead of probably gotta put a hammer to it.
You shouldn't have to be putting no hammer to them anyway. If you did it right.
It fits like a glove.
Yeah, you shouldn't. For real. You putting hammers to them, dog. Something ain't right.
I ain't never had to put a hammer to it.
If you done compressed everything and get everything freed up, greased up, what you putting a hammer for?
You can't get the counter back on there.
That means something ain't right. Ain't nobody ever seen me take no hammer to none of this stuff. Not this. No brakes. Crack the caliber, all kind of stupid stuff. Okay. So Get these in. That's it. Okay. Now you're supposed to do a manual torque check. Can't always trust them guns. See how that wasn't tight? That's it. It's well done. Yep, front brakes done on the Nissan.